Hey guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's message from our team. What we were talking about earlier this week with our team is how do you get out of a bad day, or how do you turn around a bad day, right? And I think that's something that at one point we're all going to face. We're by default, I'm really optimistic, but every so often we have not great days, but just good days. And so the question is, how do you turn that around, right? And one thing that's always helped me is really understanding being able to zoom out of that situation, right? We every day, if we're in a situation where we're so heavily vested in that situation, whether it be kind of an argument, a disagreement, just something didn't go as we wanted, and we focus really heavily on that situation. But if we kind of pull ourselves back and zoom out from that situation or from the day or from the week and put things in perspective, we realize that things are not as bad as we thought they were, because we're, again, the only thing that we're staring at is that situation. So one thing that always helps me is if you're in a situation, just zoom out and gives you better perspective. So with that being said, let's get started. Big congratulations. Actually, not almost. Greg and Gabby, they're selling their home in Whittier and buying a home also in East Whittier, an upgrade for them. So congratulations, guys. Well, not yet. You're gonna be getting keys next week, so we'll announce it at that time as well. But we're excited because they passed this period, which is called the contingencies for the sale of their home and the purchase. So now they're just waiting for the loan to be finalized. So congratulations to you guys. We also have one other family that, again, remains anonymous still, that we'll announce next week. We also have a few homes that are coming up for sale that actually just listed. One in the Palm Park area. We have one in East Whittier. And we have one that just hit the market yesterday, late yesterday, so really less than 24 hours. A 3-bedroom, 2-bath on Coley Avenue in Whittier that's going to be priced at $640. So we're going to be having a bunch of open houses this weekend. So if you're interested, we'd love to see you in person. Speaking of in person, we also have our in-person home buyer workshop, right? Zoom is great and it's really convenient and blah, 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 right? But in person is just, I think, a different feel and a better connection, I think. And so we're respecting that we're going to have limited capacity. Everyone will wear a mask and it'll be a good time, and you'll be able to interact with us in person. So if you're interested in that, we do have, I think, 2 slots available left. So we'd love for you to join us and fill one of those slots. There'll be a link somewhere here, and either in the bio or in this email or however you're going to see this video, there'll be a link somewhere. We'd love to see you in person, and again, interact with you and explain the home buying process over to you. So with that being said, and let me say one last thing. If you're interested in just virtual, we do have one towards the end of the month that should also be on that same link. So in person this Saturday, virtual, let me check my dates, next Thursday. And to our past clients, we have our Halloween pumpkin painting party. This is, again, only for our past clients. So October 20th, you'll see a bunch of videos, but we want to announce it here just in case you're hearing it more in multiple locations. So October 20th, we're renting out a pumpkin patch for our past clients. So if that's you, then we're excited to see you. There'll be emails that are going to be directed to you, text messages, and we're going to get your RSVP to make sure that you're going to join us. All right. Thanks, guys, for your continued support, and we'll see you soon.